How to apply for Amazon remote jobs. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type amazon.com. You must log in, or if you don't have an account yet, then you have to sign up. So this is the interface of Amazon. What you're going to do is to scroll down, and then here you will see get to know us, and below this is careers. So you have to tap this one. So once you tap this, it will take you to another page where you can see this find jobs right here. You can scroll down to know more and to get more information. But in case you're looking for a specific job, then you have to go to the search bar and then type some keyword here. For example, you're looking for a customer service job. So you have to type customer service here and then click enter. Now you will see here tons of customer service jobs, but in case you want to filter the result, then all you have to do is to go to filters by. So here you can see job type. You can choose full-time, part-time, or seasonal. Now, if you want to change job category, you just have to go to job category and then check the category that you want to see the result. Also, if you want to see more, just tap more. If you want to change the country and region, you just have to go here and then select the region or the country. For state and province, you just have to check the box for city as well as the team, role type, and category again. So all you have to do is to tap or check the box, then you will see the result related to what you have chosen here on filter by. So in case you want to apply for this job, you just have to click and then click apply now. Now you have to enter or sign in. You have to make sure that you have logged into your account. And then here what you're going to do is to enter the information like your contact information and answer general questions, education, work eligibility, resume, acknowledgement, voluntary equal employment, and so on. Save and continue and wait for the response. So I'd really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.